Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Me and Sheher Bano have some excellent news for you. Me and Sheher Bano have been talking about how people out there just don't know how to inject like an artist, and they do point-based injecting and over-injecting. And we've been trying to bring a course together so we can transfer our skills of injecting like artists, of looking at the face in three-dimensional like a work of art, and then being able to inject like that. So we can create an effect in 3D. And now we have finally decided on our dates together. It's going to be sometime in August.
Yeah. So finally, we made the decision of bringing this hands-on training. Very soon, we will be announcing the dates. So that will be based on the combination techniques from our practical experience, using injectables, fillers, botulinum, and threads, how to maximize the results.
And a very natural result. How to inject and how to do work naturally.
And very importantly, we will share our own pearls that we have been doing in our own practices. So that will be the secret recipe that we will be sharing with you guys.
So looking forward to seeing you all there. It's going to be in August. We want to see all of you there.
Inshallah. Great.